Ready to discover Pakistan's hidden gems? Join us on a breathtaking tour of the country's most stunning beaches, places that will make you wonder why you haven't been here before. First stop, Kund Malir, where the golden sands meet the clear blue waters. A perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. Next, we journey to Ormara Beach, where nature paints the sky every evening. Peaceful, pristine, and picture-perfect. In the south, Gwadar's untouched beauty and Astola Island's rugged shores offer a paradise for adventurers. For those who love the vibe of the city, Karachi's Clifton Beach is where you can dip your toes in the Arabian Sea while enjoying the vibrant energy of Pakistan's largest city. Or head over to Hawke's Bay for a fun family day, ride camels, rent a beach hut, and soak up the sun. From the quiet sands of Sandspit to the historic shores of Astola Island and the iconic rock arch at Paradise Point, each beach has its own unique story. So, pack your bags and explore these hidden treasures. Pakistan's beaches are waiting to be discovered. Which one will you visit first?